Today we're taking a quick look at SCSI's revitalization process, a cost-effective way to refresh and extend the life of your floors without the time and expense of a full repolish. The revitalization process is designed as a less invasive alternative to a complete restoration. It refines the concrete surface utilizing a wet process and planetary polishing equipment, while Service-Star's patented lithium-based densifying cleaner plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall appearance. This creates a renewed, polished surface without the downtime and disruption of a full repolish. Because it's less invasive, this process helps floors maintain their appearance for a much longer period and significantly reduces long-term maintenance costs. Another major advantage is air safety. This wet process produces no respirable crystalline silica, creating a cleaner and healthier environment for workers and customers. The revitalization process is validated by certified laboratory testing and was approved by Walmart Safety and Compliance in 2018, ensuring proven safety and performance. If you're looking for a smarter, cleaner, and more affordable way to keep your floors looking new, SCSI's revitalization process is not only a strong choice, but the right choice. It improves the look and longevity of your floors while enhancing the overall customer experience.